It's a blood clot. It's not my rip off. Alright guys, so right now I'm inside the car. I want to change out the cabin filter. They say if I take a couple screws here, one this off. There was one right here. I loosened these up. I don't know if I have to do that one, but I take this one off, loosen that one. And I think there's two up here. Let me see. Yeah, I probably can see this. I'll have to go back and watch the video. But yeah. After I do that, I can pull it out that way. And then change out the cabin. Alright, Alright guys, so I got her out. So I didn't get too aggressive with that. Go back on my idea. But yeah, everything is good on that. Here's the cabin filter compartment. Don't look too crazy for a 21-year-old car, but let's see if it looks crazy back there. I seen a screw missing on one of the inside of this, so there's a possibility that it was changed. So we'll see. Lift this up and pull that out. And yeah, like this. So like we have a debris. I want to cover this so it's easier to clean up. So let's see, what do I have here? Some paper. That works. And let's see, this. Yeah, that works. So you're supposed to just pull out all that. Yes, sir. Yeah, pretty dirty. Pretty dirty. The other one is back there too. All right, so we're gonna pull both of those out and get the fresh ones, huh? All right, cool. Awesome. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Definitely have to get a vacuum. Maybe. I think that might have cut everything, but yeah, it's the second one. Number deuce. Oh wow, yeah, that one was pretty dirty. Oh shit. Just take this off. Good idea work, you see? Alright. Go back and get this outside. And you see the blower there? So yeah, so it's good to change your cabin filter, because if you don't, then you're putting more stress on the blower motor, and there's a good chance of debris and stuff that can get into the blower, and can inhibit its performance. So and two, you just don't know. You just always want to check them. Not like so. Maybe I don't know. what, 40,000 miles, they say? 40,000 miles, maybe less. You can do 10,000. Feel comfortable, 5,000, whatever you feel fit for yourself, So yeah, you always want to check those, keep that up to date. Make sure there's no moisture that's inside the cabin filter, because just imagine that moisture now. The blower is sucking all that moisture into its its blade and its motor, so that's gonna you're gonna lose your blower motor, and that's just another thing that you don't want to deal with. And the filter are what, inexpensive. You get a set for like under 20 bucks, so might as well. All right, so yeah, anyway, let me stop chit-chatting and get that going. I'll probably want to vacuum the inside air real good. Yeah, and that's it. Maybe be a little nosy, but not too nosy, I just make sure everything is okay. See a couple. This is here. This is good. It almost look like something. I don't know what that is. Okay. So yeah. Anyway, let me get the fresh one, and get this going. Alright guys, so put the fresh filter in it, Canon, performance. Nah man, just joking. It's just like an eco-friendly filter, I forget what it's called, the name of it, but yeah, so you always make sure that the tabs are up, never down, always up. Alright, so you just slide it in like so. And that's now, mind you, now that's after I vacuumed. Obviously, I'll show you, clean up everything, fresh up, you know what I mean? Cool, so yeah, so that's all you do is you go in, you slide this up all the way to the left, bam, as much as you can. And then the last one, make sure tab is up, and then just slide the other one in. And that's it. And I think they have some that have like Febreze scent, like like detergent scents and all that little different scents, but mine don't have none of that stuff. I feel like I can add my own little something to it, you know what I mean? Use my own little something. But so that's it. Just gonna put the cover back on, make sure everything is good. That's how you, and it pretty much do everything in reverse, so plain and simple, simple upgrade on the car. I know you can probably see these videos like all over the place, but I'm just adding it to the vlog, you know what I'm saying? So all good. Alright guys, man, let's I don't even know if I was recording straight. I'm gonna say blood clot. It's on my rip.